When you purchase your vapor infused flat iron from sutrabeauty.com, it will come in a box like this. Inside your box, you will have your vapor infused iron and your argon infusion solution. The Sutra vapor infused flat iron has sapphire titanium plates. The argon vapor infusion is a heat protectant. It smooths damaged hair, eliminates frizz, and seals split ends. Hair passes through these titanium plates, closing the cuticle and locking in the argon infusion for added hydration. This flat iron is great for blending natural hair into hair extensions. It prolongs the longevity of hair extensions and hair color. Before I begin, I'm going to put the argon infusion into the vapor chamber. Insert the bottle into the chamber and squeeze. To power this flat iron, you're going to press the power button, which is the bottom blue button on the side. Adjust the heat temperature to the temperature of your desire. To engage the vapor, you're going to press the blue button on the top. This iron does heat up to 450 degrees. Let me show you how this baby works. I'm going to take a section of my hair . When I press the flat iron down, you'll see the vapor release beneath it. Locking in and sealing my color.